So hello everyone, good evening. My name is Joshit and welcome to Gradeup India's largest live learning platform. Am I audible and visible to each one of you? Can you please quickly tell me that? Am I audible and visible to each one of you? Can you quickly please tell me? Perfect. So today we are going to discuss about the traffic signal and the rotary questions. Okay. So if you are ready, kindly please tell me. Perfect. So hi Padmaja, ready, and Debashish. कैसे हैं आप लोग? So quickly please respond. Quickly. Set है? Perfect. So let's discuss about the traffic signal and the rotary, right? I have few questions for you. But firstly, let me introduce myself to those who are new to the class. So hi Debashish, Aman, Balaji, Vasu, Rajesh. How are you guys? Hi Sonu. I hope everyone is doing fine, right? So I'll just quickly introduce myself. So guys, my name is Joshit Singh. I have 3 years of teaching experience. I'm MTech from IIT Roorkee, multiple times GATE qualified, and area of expertise are transportation engineering, fluid mechanics, irrigation, and environmental engineering. Okay. Hi Devs and hi Likita. How are you? I hope everyone is doing perfectly fine. Right, so first of all, I have gave you one question yesterday. How many of you have gave the right answer? How many of you have like solved the question? Quickly please tell me. So traffic is engineering starting here. No, actually this is the second lecture, and today in this series we are only discussing questions first of all. Hi Gautam, how are you? Right, so agar aapne, if you haven't solved it, no problem. I have the name of the person. Right, so irrigation mein only important part hai water requirement. Of course you will do that series. If you want, then I have to. If you don't want, then I won't. Okay, so Paritosh Tiwari and Pranay are the only person who have gave the correct answer to this particular homework question. So thank you so much guys, and yeah, your answer is perfectly correct. So let's first solve this question and then we'll begin today's class. Right, ye kal ka mein ek question hai, this I have gave in the homework. So I hope if you haven't solved it yet, you can solve it right now also. At a traffic intersection, it was observed that 270 vehicle arrived in 30 minutes. Okay. If the arrival rate is assumed to follow Poisson distribution, what is the probability that no vehicle arrive in any given 10-second period? 10 second के period में there was no vehicle which arrived. Right. So basically you need the probability of this. Right, and that would be E minus lambda T1, right? T1 is 10 seconds and the lambda is your vehicle arrival, this rate, but that should be vehicle per second. So let me get the value in vehicle per second. 270 is the vehicle in minute, right, per minute, but I want this in seconds. Multiply it by 60. How much this should come? कितना आएगा बताओ? मैं कर लो यार. It should be 270 divided by 90. Is it 90? No, sorry, 900. So this should be how much? 0.15 vehicle per second. Correct? Okay. So putting the values here, E minus 0.15 into 10, and this would be 0.223. So that is the correct answer. Pranay also gave the right answer and Paridosh also gave the right answer. Okay. Alright. Cool. So let's begin today's class, and yeah, we have to discuss about this what we call it, traffic signal and your rotary design. In traffic signal, the only one thing is important, that's the Webster method, in which you have to find out the optimum cycle length. What is cycle length? As you know that there is some time for which green light will be on a traffic signal, and then amber, and then red. So the combination or the summation of the time for which all 3 lights will be on is nothing but it is just one cycle, right, or cycle length. So optimum cycle length can be determined with the help of Webster method, with the formula goes like this. It's the empirical formula, 1.5 L plus 5 divided by 1 minus Y. Now L here is nothing, it is the total time lost in a cycle length. it goes something like this: 2n plus r, where n is the number of phase and r is the all red time. All red time is the time when all the roads shows this red signal. It is just for those vehicles which are there in middle of the intersection, okay, so that we can clear the space, right? And then we have this y. What is this y? Y is the ratio. Y is the, first of all, this is the summation of y1, y2 and go on. What is this y1? Y1 is the ratio of what? It is the ratio of the normal flow to the saturation flow, to the saturation flow of road number 1, okay. Similarly for 2, 3 and just go on and you will get the answer, right? So this is the Webster method, and yes, it is important if I talk about gate examination. Then if I talk about rotary, then in rotary you have to determine the value of practical capacity. So the practical capacity goes like this: 280 W, 1 plus E by W, 1 minus P by 3 divided by 1 plus W by L. That is it. This is the only formula which is required, right? Where W, what is W here? That's, quickly, what is W here? That's the width of the rotary, right? That's the width of the rotary. And E is nothing, it is your average entry width, right? P is your weaving ratio, right? And L is length of the weaving section. That is it. Let's try to find out how we can use these formula to solve a numerical, right? So are you ready? If you are ready, can I have a heart sign in the comment box? Everybody, can you please send me a heart sign with full power? Quickly, guys. All right, full power. So guys, this is the first question which you have to solve. Come on, just please solve this question with me. What does this say? For designing a two-phase fixed type signal at an intersection having north, south, east, west roads where only straight ahead traffic is permitted, to following data is available. This is the data which is available. Total time lost per cycle length is given as 12 seconds. The cycle length as per Webster method would be, बताइए सर. हिंदी में पढ़ाया करो, इंग्लिश में नहीं. प्रद्युमन, वी हैव, हमारे पास दूसरा चैनल है जिसका नाम है ग्रेडअप सिविल चैंपियन. वहां पे हिंदी में पढ़ाते हैं हम लोग. यूट्यूब का ही चैनल है, आप सर्च करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. अभी 9 बजे मेरी क्लास है वहां पे फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स की. उसमें मैं पूरा फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स आपको हिंदी में ही कंप्लीट करवाऊंगा, और जितनी भी क्लास होंगी उस पर सिर्फ हिंदी में ही होंगी, ठीक है. यहां पे इंग्लिश ही रखते हैं हम लोग इस चैनल पे. ओके, सो चलिए, लेट्स सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. हाउ, लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन गेट द वैल्यूज, राइट. Okay, so what was the Webster method? It says the optimum cycle length can be given by 1.5 L plus 5 upon 1 minus Y. The value of L is already given as 12 seconds, right? For Y, I have to get Y1 plus Y2, right? And what is this Y1 and Y2? I have just told you it is the ratio of the normal flow to the saturation flow. So if I talk about north and south, what value should I consider? 1400 or 800? You have to take the maximum one, okay? So it should be 1400 here. And what about the saturation? It's same, 3500. So 3500. So how much is the value of Y1? It should be 0.4. Correct? Very good, Devashish. Very good. And what about Y2? It should be 1000 by 3500. And that would be 0.2857. So the value of Y will be 0.6857. सही है क्या? Yup, it is correct. So यहां से आ गया 0.6857, right? Okay, let's put all these values here. So 1.5 into L value is 12 plus 5 divided by 1 minus 0.6857. So this will give me the answer as 73.18 seconds, which is option C. Is there anyone who have doubt in this question, or if it is clear, please let me know. But if you have doubt, then also please tell me, guys. And as soon as you are joining the session, please do not forget to like the video. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, because we are continuing this 750 plus question series on the channel for gate examination. Okay, thank you so much. Clear? Perfect. Let's see the next question. The practical capacity of rotary is not dependent on. Chaliye. This you can tell me with the help of the formula that we have used. Just now I have told you one formula for getting the practical capacity. Do you remember that formula? What was that? It was 280W 1 plus E by W 1 minus P by 3 divided by 1 plus W by L. That's what the formula. This was the formula. This is what width of carriageway at entry E1 plus E2 by 2, basically width of the rotary, weaving ratio, length of the weaving section. So what should be the correct answer, guys? What should be the correct answer, guys? Quickly tell me. Come on. So the question is, the practical capacity of rotary is not dependent upon. I have just told you the formula, which goes something like this. Perfect. Very good. It does not depend upon the weaving angle. Very good. Perfect. बहुत खूब. Cool. So maximum question कितने marks को expect कर सके? Maximum question कितने marks मतलब समझा नहीं दोस्त मैं. From highway engineering you want to ask कि total कितना marks का आता है? 6 to 9 marks vary कर सकता है. Next question. मजा आ जाएगा, आंसर दीजिए सब लोग इसका full power के साथ. A pre-time 4-phase signal has a critical lane. See, most of the question here will be from Webster method, but I have tried to take some different questions so that we can get idea of all the kind of question that can be asked from Webster method. Okay, a pre-time 4-phase signal has critical lane flow rate for our first 3 phases 200, 187 and 210 vehicle per hour with saturation flow rate as 1800 for all the phases. The loss time is given as 4 seconds for each phase. If the cycle length is 60 seconds, the effective green time of the 4th phase is. Come on, guys. MSQ question can't say actually. This is the first time when MSQ question is being introduced. So we need at least 2 to 3 years to understand what should be the or what could be the weightage of some type of particular questions. Okay. How I can tell you, like, it's for the first time. I'm not there in the committee, so I don't know. Only IIT, they know this. Quickly, very beautiful question. The whole thing which I have told you earlier, you are going to follow that only, but there is something which is different. So right now you just have the value of optimum cycle length, that is 60 seconds, and rest you have to tell me. Come on. Let's see. See, in case you want effective green time, right? Suppose if you want effective green time of road A, then it should be the ratio of the normal flow by its saturation flow for road A divided by the summation of the ratio of the normal flow and the saturation ratio for all the roads, bracket the optimum cycle length minus whatever the time or whatever the loss that we have. Okay, so this with the help of this you can get the value, but for this green time we need for the 4th phase. So basically we want G4, basically we want the G4 Y C naught minus L. I have C naught, I have L. L is given as 4 seconds each phase, so L will be 4 into 4, that will be 16 seconds. L I have, Y4 and Y I don't have, but I have C naught. With the help of C naught, let's try to find out the value of Y also. What is C naught? C naught is 1.5 L plus 5 upon 1 minus Y. I have L, I have C naught, I can get the value of Y. Let's get the value of Y from here. C naught 60, it is 1.5, it is 16 plus 5 over 1 minus Y. So from here the Y value should come as 1 second. It should be 0.52. Y should be 0.52. सही है क्या? Are you getting the same answer or not for Y? Right? Okay, so if you have this Y as 0.52, I know Y will be what? Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 plus Y4. Y4. So Y1, Y2, Y3 and Y4, can we get it? Okay, I have by mistakenly rubbed it. No problem, I'll just write it again. Y was 0.52 how much? 5.2. Okay, so y is what? y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4. So do we have the value of y1? Yes, we can get with the help of this values. It has 200 by 1800 plus y2 is 187 by 1800 plus y3 is 210 by 1800 plus y4, and this I have as 0.52. From here the value of y4 should come as 0.19. So now the G4 will be how much? 0.19 by 0.52, 60 minus 16. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? 16.08 seconds. And this is the correct answer. Are you getting the same answer? If you are not, please tell me. Everybody, am I clear with this? You have any doubt? Please let me know if you have any doubt. Set? Perfect. Next question. Okay. Next question is, a two-phase signal has critical lane flow rate as 200 and X. The saturation flow rate is 1800 vehicle per hour per lane for all phases. The loss time for each phase is 3 seconds. The cycle length is 50 seconds. If the effective green time for the second phase is, bata dijiye sir. Everybody, the effective green time for the second phase you have to tell. Come on. Answer. Similar question, although slightly different, but yeah, overall it is a similar question what we have just did. Please solve and tell me the answer. You know, just now we have seen this C0 is what? 1.5 L plus 5 upon 1 minus Y. It is a very important formula, guys, because in your syllabus, official syllabus, Webster method is mentioned specifically, right? It is not written as one of the method. It is written as a syllabus. So that's why I'm focusing more on this. 1.5 L plus 5, 1 minus Y. C0 is given as 50 seconds, right? And also L is given as 3 seconds per phase. So I have 2 phases. So 6 seconds will be the value of L. So 60, 1.5 into 6 plus 5 upon 1 minus Y. What should be the value of Y from here? What should be the value of Y from here? You will tell me this time. What should be the value of Y from here? You will tell me this time. Everyone. Ho jaye. Full power. Quickly. Y should be how much? It should be 0.72. It should be 0.72. I know Y is what? It is Y1 plus Y2. What is Y1? It is 200 by 1800, right? And what is Y2? I don't know. But I know this Y. Y is how much? It is 0.72. Let's see what is the value of X. It should be 0.72. I'm getting it as 0.60. Are you getting the same answer? 0.60 sahi hai kya? Sahi hai. Actually, it should be 0.608. So I'm considering it 0.61 only. It's fine. We can do this much. So G2 will be how much? 0.61 by 0.72. Bracket C0 is how much? 50 minus L is the value as 6. So this would be 0.61 divided by okay, I have written here as 60, sorry, 6.72 bracket 50 minus 6. It should be 37.27, and that is what? That is almost 38. So A is the right answer. Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anyone? Is it clear? Is it clear? Perfect. Next. Which of the following are the correct requirements for designing a rotary intersection in a rural area as per the IRC recommendation? First is minimum radius of, this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. Minimum radius of central island should be 30 meter. Maximum traffic from all legs is 3000 vehicle per hour. Design speed is adopted as 30 km per hour. Answer, everybody. Sir, how you take C as 60? No, I have changed it. I have written there by mistake. It should be 60 only. I have written 50 only here. When you calculate it with the help of 50, you will get the answer. This answer you will get. Please tell me, the minimum radius of island, the central island, should be how much? It is just like your MSQ only, right? It is just like your MSQ. You need to know all these three things. So yeah, minimum radius of central island should be 30 meters. That is correct, right? Maximum traffic from all legs is 3000 vehicle per hour. That is also correct. Rural area, okay. Design speed is adopted as 30 km. This is wrong. Why? The design speed is 40 km per hour for the rural areas. Cool? Any doubts? Anybody? Are you enjoying the session? Everything is going fine by now? If you are enjoying, can I get a heart sign in the comment box? Everybody? And in case you want to study everything about Bernoulli's equation, then I have a session at 9 p.m. on Gradeup Civil Champion. You can join me there. Alright? Perfect. Let's see the next question. The critical flow ratio for three-phase signal are found to be 0.20, 0.22 and 0.18. The total time loss is 10 seconds. The respective green times for the green phase are, chaliye, you have to tell the effective green time for all three phases, 1, 2, 3, okay. So let's see how much we are getting. Let's see how much we are getting. Come on, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Let's see who will give me the answer, who will give me the first answer. Come on. No laziness, please. Alright, so first of all, I have to get the value of C naught here. That is my optimum cycle length. It would be 0.5 L plus 5 upon 1 minus Y. Y is summation of Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 since we have three phases. So we already have the value 0.2, 0.22 plus 0.18, and this should be fluid mechanics is at 9 p.m. on Gradeup Civil Champion channel, and the language in which I'm going to communicate with you there will be bilingual. Most of the time it will be Hindi only. So please be aware of this thing already. How much it should be? It should be 0.6. Yeah, it should be 0.6. So C naught will be 1.5 into 10 seconds is the total time loss. So cool, 10 plus 5 upon 1 minus 0.6. So this would be 50 seconds. This would be 50 seconds. Now G1 will be how much? It should be 0.2 by 0.6 bracket. C naught is 50 seconds minus 10. So how much this will give me? How much this will be? This should be 13.33 seconds. Right? G2 is 0.22 by 0.6, 50 minus 10. Somewhere around this only, so it should be somewhere around 14, okay. And G3 will be 0.18 by 0.6 bracket 50 minus 10, and this should be somewhere around 12 seconds. So answer should be 13, 14, 12, 13, 14, 12, 13, 14, 12, 13, 14, 12. I'm getting any answer? No, I'm not getting it. So I can just take it as, if you solve it, it should be 67, 67, 15 only. So 13, 15, 12, 13, 15, 12. Okay, this is my correct answer. Any doubts? Anybody? Any doubts? Anybody? It should be, it can't be, it can't be B, because I'm getting G3 as 12 seconds and there they are saying 15. There is only one where G3 is 12 seconds and this is 13 seconds. Okay guys? Any doubts? Anybody? Anybody? None? Perfect. Next question. Okay, this is from the rotary design, right? So the practical capacity of a rotary is, if width of weaving section is 6 meter, mean of entry and exit width, so they have directly given you the value of E. Okay, if they would have given you the value of entry width and the exit width, then E should be E1 plus E2 by 2. It is the mean width, okay? And weaving ratio is also given, P value is also given. It should be always given to you in gate examination. In mains examination, you have to find it out. And the length is also given as 18 meter. So W is 6 meter and the weaving ratio is 0.4 and the length is 18 meter. So now, can we get the answer, guys? Please solve this question and let me know what is the answer. Come on, everyone. After Diwali, as soon as the Diwali will be there, after that I am going to begin a series of traffic engineering, specifically traffic engineering on Gradeup Civil Champion YouTube channel, right? And that timing of the series will be 12 AM. Okay, and the duration of the class will be 40 to 45 minutes, and the number of lectures will be 4, right? And I am going to give you the complete explanation of traffic engineering. Complete matlab complete. Okay, for all the examination, not only gate, for ESE, for gate, for BARC, or any other examination if you are preparing. If you want traffic engineering, you can just join me with those lectures and it is going to help you. Okay, so answer for this one, how much we should get? Let me tell you. So guys, this should be how much? Again, the practical capacity was 280 W, 1 plus E by W, 1 minus P by 3, 1 upon W by L, 1 plus W by L. Answer दे दीजिए. 280 into 6, 1 plus, how much is E? 8. Fluid mechanics in English? No, in Hindi only. Bilingual, I mean, not completely Hindi, but technical terms will be in English only. The way of explanation will be in Hindi. And don't worry, if you want, if you like it, in case, then I'll bring it in English also. That's up to you. If you will demand for it, I have to bring it. Okay? If you don't, then there is no point of bringing that. Market में demand ही नहीं है तो लाके क्या करूँगा? 18. Please solve this. How much it should be? Very good, Noman and Sonu. It is 2548 vehicle per hour. Okay, guys. So yeah, it is the right answer. Okay. So these are all the possible type of questions that can be asked from traffic signal and the rotary design. I have to discuss questions now from which chapter is left. Okay. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm going to cover the another topic, right? Right. But in case you are interested in getting the theory of the fluid mechanics along with the questions, then you can follow me on Gradeup Civil Champion YouTube channel. At 9 PM I have a session. This one information I want to give you guys. There are these running courses right now, and if you take the Gradeup Super subscription, you can enroll yourself in all 3 batches. You will get the access to all 3 batches. It's up to you which batch you want to join. So basically, Gear Up batch is for those students who want to build their concepts. Rank Up is for those who want to improve their rank, and Vision 2022 is for those students who want to prepare for GATE and ESE 2022. Okay, in this technical and non-technical, both the syllabus will be covered. You will get notes, you will get lectures, live lectures. You can also watch the lectures later on, n number of times. You can also download them and watch them without internet as well, right? Quiz वो सब रहेगा बिंदास, ठीक है? Yes, तौकीर हाशमी slightly late, थोड़ा सा late, कोई बात नहीं दोस्त. I'll come again at same time tomorrow. Like, okay, so guys, these are the faculty members, and yes, this is where I want to see all your pictures, everyone's pictures I want there. And yes, green card is for those students who want to get the test series, like access to all the test series of all the examination. GATE ये सबके लिए एक card, that is the Gradeup green card. If you are interested, link दिया हुआ है description में. Also guys, this is the price of the subscription. 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. You have option 12,000, 16,800, 24,000. It is up to you which one you want to take. If you want any other information, call on this number. But in case you are shy, you can send email to this email ID. It is up to you. And if you want to ask me any question related to your technical subjects, you can ask me on Gradeup app. For that, you have to follow me on Gradeup app. Just go to the Gradeup app and search my name, Joshit Singh. You can get my verified account and simply follow me. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me there. In case you have some non-technical doubts, like some motivational issues you are facing, some, any personal thing which you want to share with me which is related to your preparation or which is bothering you from preparing for GATE and ESE, and if you need anything else like any support, you can ask me that on Instagram. You can search me by this name only on the Instagram, right? It is not an verified account, but yet soon it will be. Okay, so guys, for same the subject, yes, tomorrow also same subject but different topic that would be. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed the class and you all have practiced the Webster method and the practical capacity of the rotary concept, because it is going to be very important for you to understand these two things. They are frequently being asked in the examination of GATE, okay, specifically GATE के लिए, ठीक है? So it's time when I have to say goodbye to you all. I'll see you again and tomorrow with same energy, same enthusiasm, but different topic. Till then, you just have to do this one thing for me, and that's just take care of yourself, take care of your family, drink water regularly as it is very important for our health, and just prep smart, stay safe, go grade up. Thank you so much everyone. Signing off for today. I'll see you tomorrow.